Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. By the way, if you are new here, I am Mentor Jobay, political science instructor, and I'm also teaching social sciences subject like contemporary world, readings in Philippine history, and life and works of Jose Rizal. And my task here also is to help students understand or further understand whatever topic that they missed during their classes or yung mga hindi nila naintindihan sa classroom. Alright? So, if you are new here, please don't forget to like this video today and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to get updated for all my video uploads every week. Alright, so without further ado, let's start! Ayan, so dahil pasukan na ngayon, maiba naman tayo sa ating topic. So ngayon, pag-uusapan natin or mag-share ako ng mga tips kung paano ba mag-introduce sa classroom. Di ba? Yun yung mga kinakatakutan ng iba na mag-introduce. Paano ka ba mag-introduce during your first day of class? Because for sure, your teachers will be asking you to stand in front and introduce yourself. Right, so I have here simple tips for you to follow. So one is, of course, you begin with a greeting. You greet your classmates, you greet your teachers. And that way, you are preparing yourself to speak more. Parang nagbebuelo ka lang para magsalita. So you start it with a greeting. And then, show them that you are so confident enough. How to show that you are confident? You will speak louder, and of course, you look at your classmates. You look at the eyes of your classmates or your instructor. They can see that, oh, tong classmate natin, ang angas, ang talino, ang ganito. And then, of course, while you are showing that you are confident, you have to also to show that you are friendly. Okay? You show that on your introduction. So, sabihin mo kung saan ka nanggaling, bakit ka nag-enroll sa school na yan? Ano ba ang mga gusto mo sa mga teachers? Ano yung expectation mo? And then, ano yung mga qualities na meron ka pa na i-expect ng mga classmates mo sa'yo. Okay? You also offer friendship. Para first day pa lang, alam na ng mga classmate mo na, ay, kaibiganin na natin ito, totropahin na natin ito, hindi natin jojowain, joke lang. Okay, totropahin natin ito dahil mabait ito, pwede nating hingan ng assignment. Pero wag ka nun ha, wag kayong magbigay ng assignment kasi hindi kayo makakatulong. And also, show off your talent. Anong talent meron ka? Ipakita mo. Kung yung talent mo magpatawa, edi magpatawa ka doon. Talent mo kumanta ka, sumayaw ka. So, in that way, you are entertaining also your teacher and your classmate. You are giving an idea that you are a student with that talent at hindi ka lang basta-basta. And then, makikita yung eagerness mo din sa kanila. Okay? And also, share whatever interesting story that you have. I-share mo kung ano yung mga past experiences mo na sa tingin mo makakatulong sa mga classmates mo, o makakagain ng attention nila kasi malay mo kapag na-share mo yung buhay mo sa kanila at meron dyan na patay na or nalulugmok na sa problema, at least na-uplift mo sila. So, yun lang ang gagawin mo. Speak louder, be confident, show them that you are friendly, show your talent, share your experiences, share whatever unique experiences that you have. Okay, offer help, offer yourself na para malaman din ng classmate mo na pwede ka nilang hingan ng tulong. Alright, so that's all. That's my simple tips, and I hope that you will enjoy your studies, enjoy your first day, kasi first day na ninyo. At sana magtuloy-tuloy para makatapos na din kayo sa mga kurso na natapos ninyo. Kung nasa high school man kayo, tuloy nyo lang yan. Matatapos din natin ang kolehiyo. Okay, so that's all. about today, and I hope that I was able to inspire you more. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video today and subscribe to my YouTube channel for you to get updated on all my video uploads every week. Okay, so goodbye everyone.